All right, we are arriving here at Hallis Hall, home of the Chicago Bears, where their practice facility is. We're doing the Small Business Summit with the Chicago Bears and PNC Bank. I'm excited. I want to see what happens today. Great day for networking and learning some new things. We want to make sure that we make everything efficient with the business. So today is that day. All right, y'all, let's go. Going on, the summit was a success. Chicago Bears, shout out to Chicago Bears and PNC Bank for inviting some small businesses out today over at Hallis Hall, the great Hallis Hall, to enjoy that time and learn some things about business loans and credit and marketing. It was very informative. I got a chance to meet some dope business owners that definitely will be working out some things with in the future. Collaboration over competition. That was key. That was a key term one of the other business owners said on the panel, because I always said I'm not in competition with you. Don't call me to challenge me to a barbecue off. You know what I mean? Now if we're collaborating and it just happens to be something in like a grill off, that's different depending on the situation. But in reality, I'd rather collab with some dope chefs and pit masters and put together a nice spread of great food. And so when he said that, I always live by that moniker that it's always collaboration over competition. I love it. So like again, shout out to PNC, shout out to Chicago Bears. That was dope. Great being at Hallis Hall. I never thought I'll be able to see the Vince Lombardi trophy from 1985 up close and personal. That was kind of dope. All right, so thus part of my journey has begun. 2025, dope year, dope things happening. I'm really excited about it, and we're gonna document everything. We're gonna document everything we're doing this year, kind of like a barbecue documentary for me. You know what I mean? So let's do it, and let's talk about it. If you see it, put your stuff in the comments section. Let me know. All right? I can't wait. All right, you guys, stay smoky, baby. I'm out.